Hey, we're going to get ready to go eat at C&J's BBQ. I was told that the ribs were awesome. Let's go check it out.
Lone Star rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star rider.
Just got through eating some of C&J's ribs. Awesome, and their peach cobbler is actually awesome. You have to try that. I didn't try their briskets because I was told not to. Catch you on the road here at C&J's BBQ here in Bryan, Texas.